Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last video tutorial, we were able to complete the tax page. Okay, so what I did was to fix the error that we were having when we tried to add this checkbox and then um the test field here. Okay, in the last video tutorial, so we fixed that and everything worked. Okay, but we didn't do something. Okay, when I tried to enter something here, you see that it doesn't take the same style that we have for the hint text. Okay, the hint text is rather bigger and then bolder. Okay, so what I want to do is to make sure that it takes the same the same style. Okay, so I want to come here, which is this place, and then outside the input decoration we want to come here and then add a style to it. So I'll just copy this same thing for the style there and then paste it here. Okay, and then now when we enter something there, we see that it takes the same star. Okay, so let's say we come to enter, you see that it takes the same size and then the same font weight. Okay, so that's it. So in this application, this to do application, we are also going to have a login and then a sign up page. The reason I want to do that is not because it's important for the application, but it's for you to understand how to also connect a login or a sign up to what a PHP API. Okay, so we work on the APIs later, but I want to finish the Flutter side. Okay, so today we are going to do models. Okay, and then in the model, I'll create a folder here called models. Okay, so the model is different from the the scope model. So the model here refers to the entities that we are going to use in our application. And because this is a simple to do application, we are going to have the tax entity and also the to do entity. Okay, or the model. So I'll come here and then I'll call tax model, or just think about it as an entity. And then when I come here, I can class as tax. Okay, and then I can go ahead and do this because we need an ID for that, and also we need a title, and also we need a description. Okay, and then we can call the constructor here, and then we can say this dot ID, this dot title, and then this dot description, and then we have everything inside now. So I'll create another one for the to do. So to do model, okay, and then I'll call it class to do, and we want the final string ID. Okay, but we also want the tax ID because every to do will belong to what a tax. Okay, and then we also want the what the to do here. Okay, to do info, let me just say it that way. So we can now do the constructor to accept those things, and then this dot id, this dot tax id, we can also this dot to do info here. Now when I save, I have everything here. I have this one too here. Okay, so that's basically what I want to do in this video. But let me go to the main in the app that's here. You remember we imported in the first video, we imported the Google font and then the scope model which we are supposed to use. So in the app, I want to use the Google font, okay, and then change the font style to Roboto. So I'll come here. Now inside here, there's a text theme here, and I want to use the Google fonts dot Roboto. I think Roboto text theme here. So the Roboto text theme here, and then I want to also pass the as I want to pass the default text theme there. So the text theme there refers to the color and all that. So now I save it, and let's see what happens. I don't know why this is taking. Yep, I don't really see any change. Um, I think which I think yeah. Let me just look for a new font and see a new font. I think I want to use Naninto. Naninto sound, yeah, this one. Why am I getting this? Yep, Naninto text theme. Here I want to use Naninto sounds here. Yeah, this theme. Yeah. So now I save it. Yeah, and then I can see some changes. Now you can see some changes in the font style. Okay, so that's basically how we use it. Use the Google fonts here. So now let me check if, yeah, now you can see here it looks different. And that's it for this video tutorial. So the main objective was to add the models. So in the next video tutorial, we are just going to focus on the scope models and then how to connect it to the PHP. So I will see you guys in the next video tutorial. Thank you.